Once upon a time, there was a wide, fast river. Many animals crossed it every day. A friendly frog lived near the river. He liked helping others and singing in the sun. One day, a scorpion came to the river. He looked worried. He could not swim. "Frog," said the scorpion, "please carry me on your back to the other side." The frog was afraid. "But you have a stinger. You might sting me." The scorpion said, "I won't sting you. If I sting you, we will both fall and drown. I promise I will be good." The frog thought for a moment, then agreed. "Climb on," he said. Slowly, they started crossing the river. Halfway across, the frog felt a sharp pain. The scorpion had stung him. "Why?" cried the frog. "Now we will both sink." The scorpion whispered, "I am sorry. It is just my nature." The river closed over them, and the animals on the riverbank watched in silence. Moral of the story: be careful whom you trust. Some choose harm, even when kindness would save them.